Is your Ninja Swirl stuck on Install Lid, even though the lid is locked tight? If you're sure it's assembled right, but the machine won't start, here's what to check. Step 1. Recheck the lid twist and alignment. The swirl press and lid have tiny safety tabs that must be perfectly lined up. Twist the lid off and reattach it slowly. Turn clockwise until you hear or feel a firm click. Step 2. Make sure the handle is fully pressed down. The lid sensor only activates when the handle is completely lowered. If the handle stops early or feels stiff, don't force it. Check for blockage under the press. Step 3. Clean the lid sensor area. Dust, sticky residue, or a small food particle can block the sensor inside the handle slot. Wipe the contact area with a clean cloth or soft brush, then try again. Step 4. Rebuild the assembly from scratch. Unplug the machine, then remove and reinstall the pint, bowl, swirl press, lid, and handle, in that order. Even a small misalignment earlier in the build can throw off the lid detection. Step 5. Let frozen parts warm up briefly. Sometimes the swirl press contracts when overfrozen and won't sit properly. Let it rest at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, then reassemble and retry. Still seeing install lid? The lid sensor or press mechanism might be worn or damaged. Check the description for a support link if you need a replacement part. If this helped get your swirl going again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fixes that don't waste your time. And if you're cleaning around the sensor or press, we've linked a food-safe brush set in the description that makes it way easier. Thanks for watching, and lock it in, right?